Market crash, crash, crash. A lot of people were predicting that market will fall, and we saw market making new highs. In fact, if you see, Nifty has been very, very strong. Every time it is opening gap up. Today also it opened the gap up, filled the gap, then a fantastic upside rally, and then a bit of down move, and then closed at uh, on the positive side. If you notice, it has been on the total uptrend for a very long time. Here, I think it broke the uptrend, and here creating another new uptrend for some time. Today, we were able to capture a very positive profit again. At the opening itself, we took the 20,300 CE, which opened around 70, cross 84, and hit two. In fact, it went above 170, it went to 230 levels. At the first time, we booked at 125, and the second time, we captured from 94, it went to 230, 240 levels. And we also had other trades. We took the Bharti Airtel, which moved from below 22 and hit, I think, around 38 or so. Uh, we also took the Adani port, 28, it went to 35 levels. So a good trading day. We are also asking our friends a question. These were the trades which were shared: 20,300 from 85, 130, and then 20,300 from 95, it went to 220. In fact, 260 if I'm right. We were able to capture 200. And then these were the other trades on the stocks. Bharti Airtel from 22 to 27, which could have been profitable of about 3,000. Adani Port from 28 to 34, which could have been profit of 3,000. We also took one Hero Zero, 20,600 from 16, it went to 35. So there's one irony of life which I think I was sharing with my friends. When market does not move up, people are worried. But when market starts moving up, it wants to fall. Right now, I'm sure many of us are asking the same question: will the market fall? When will the market fall? Because they want to book their positions. Especially equity traders, I would suggest you should hold the positions for long term. Do not think of short term. Buy good listed stocks. We've been recommending stocks like Siemens. We've been recommending stocks like uh, HDFC Bank and Axis Bank, ICICI. So all these stocks, if you see, and if you see, in fact, Siemens, even though it fell, it again made a good rally upside. And HDFC Bank, in fact, we traded even on the futures. A very good rally we have made. Here again, you see, it is a strong upside rally which is made from the last few days. A lot of people also I mentioned to add in Wipro. Wipro, I'm looking at the long-term perspective. Uh, so let's see how this goes. For tomorrow, let me share the uh, stock options. Bank Nifty, I'm looking at 45,300 put above for 245. Then I'm expecting targets of 290 plus. And if market tends to be positive, 43, 45, 300 moves from below to 260 and crosses 260, then I'm looking at targets of 320 plus. Mahindra and Mahindra, I'm looking at put side 1460 put. If it moves above 36.5, then I'm looking at targets of 45 plus. Hindalco, I'm looking at 425 call, moves above 14.95, and targets of 70 plus. Bringing. Okay. And I'm also looking at PPCL 370 call. If goes above 15, then targets of 70 plus. Tata Motors also looks positive. Based on the price action, I will look to enter. Britannia, I'm slightly looking to short this, uh, waiting for a confirmation. So, based on price action, we would share those trades to our subscribers. My suggestion is a lot of people ask me how much capital is required to trade. Even with capital of 15,000, it is always better to start with small. In fact, I and my friends who've been trading partners we always used to think we should have big capital in case we lose, we still have money. It is not so. Discipline comes when you have small amounts. Start with 10, 15, 20K. Try to build the capital slowly. Even if you add 500 rupees every day or 1000 rupees every day, think of learning more than earning. The moment you start thinking of learning, then the earning automatically comes. And then you shall be able to capture a good profit also. Uh, Let us see if market falls. I'm slightly looking at the charts. I get a feeling that it may try to test a little high again and then slowly start moving down. So could be a range bound day also tomorrow. We may get stuck in the range for some time and then down.